Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. On Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's the weekend edition of Saturday, July the 22nd, 2023. And I've told you earlier, yesterday, on Sunday I will solve the additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, the binary, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. By the way, in the evening I will solve the samurai Sudoku, but in the afternoon these 4 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the tectonic, the 4 stars, and the binary I will solve. And this one will be number, first one, 6797. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits well. This one has 27 printed digits. Should not be a 3 stars, because a 27 printed digits is a 1 star puzzle. Usually, yes. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. For 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, we will see what time I will finish this puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the let me see which number I can pick. How about the number yeah, which number shall I pick? That's the question. 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Okay, here can it be a 1? 1. Okay. We have 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. We have 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and 8. We have 1 now in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see which number can I pick. 4, 4. Yes, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square, it could be here, could be there. So 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4. Alright, 4 4. Interesting. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next? On that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We share 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. 5, 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Can I count the ones? You have all the ones? Yeah. And all the ones are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 1. 9. 9. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 6. Alright. 6. And we have 5. Yeah. We have a pair. The 5 and a 6 in this row. The 5 and a 6 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 5 and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 2, 2, 4, 4, and 9. Need a 9 here. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the last column, no 4 there. It's the only place left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So the 3 and 8 are left. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 3 and the 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. 4, 4. 4, 4. 2, 2. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3, 8, and 6. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes down. Alright. 9. Okay. So 2 missing numbers now in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Oh, no. Here we have a 5. Oh, wait. I cannot fill this yet. Those are different numbers here. 5, 6. Well, those are not the same numbers. I need to wait. need to wait. 7, 9, 2. Let me see. Need an 8 here. Need a 6 here. Come on. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in the last row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. It should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in the last row, so no 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2, 7, 4, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle, second column. So in first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, the 8. And then, yeah, then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. A 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 5, 8, 9. Then, yeah, let me think. 6, 8, 3. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay. And we have all the 7s. No. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, not 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Well, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3. No, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there, and the final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 15 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.